This is ridiculous, man. It's absolutely ridiculous.
What's about?
It started with one. Then we got the other boys involved. And now the locals are already going. What is going on?
Wow.
Yeah, let's go.
Finally try. Yeah. So let's go. Here we go. We're on the Barely Average Cycling channel, and we are in. I have no idea, but the sun's out.
Sun's out.
But there's no guns out. Look at the size of these muscles. There's no guns out today. Hold it a little bit. Still. Charge. Hold it a little bit. Still. A gimbal. You need a gimbal.
Yeah. I am a gimbal, mate. I am a gimbal. Come on.
You need one of those. Yeah. 360.
Stuff like that. What are you saying, guys? Good? A bit icy today? It's a bit icy out there, isn't it?
It's like an ice rink.
Yeah. No, it's not slippy. It's just like the colour of ice. Yeah? It's not slippy.
Right.
You don't have to say anything. Just look cool, yeah? Just look cool. Oh. We get some video.
Oh, you're travelling the ice there as well, mate.
On the ice. On the ice.
Brave or stupid.
Comment below.
Which one?
Yeah. There.
Being brave.
They're being legal. Riding on the right side of the road. Or the left side, should I say. Using the phone at the same time. That's totally illegal. Totally illegal, bro. I think I was on the outside. Why?
Walk it off, man. Walk it off.
I was gonna say pedal it off, yeah.
Yeah, walk it off.
How's your knee, Saj?
Perfectly fine.
Yes,
No
good.
accidents today.
No accidents today. Nothing to see here. Please move along. Nothing to see here.
Well done.
Right.